Take my hand and I will follow. Speak, Lord, and I will hear, for you the voice of heaven. I submit to you in all I do. Oh, let your river flow. Lead me, guide me, take my hand and I will follow. Speak, Lord, and I will hear, for you are the voice of heaven. I submit to you in all I do. Oh, let your river flow. Spirit of truth, wisdom and understanding, counsel and might, knowledge and the fear of the Lord. Tell us what you hear, show us the things to come. Glorify Jesus and teach us all things. Bring to our remembrance the words of life. Let the river flow. Lead me, guide me, take my hand and I will follow. Speak, Lord, and I will hear, for you are the voice of heaven. I submit to you in all I do. Oh, let your river flow. Spirit of truth, wisdom and understanding, counsel and might, knowledge and the fear of the Lord. Tell us what you hear, show us the things to come. Glorify Jesus and teach us all things. Bring to our remembrance the words of life. Let the river flow.